I'm James Tuggle. I'm here today for Spring Creek Products, and I want to talk about a pipe hinge sleeve. The sleeve hinge is for working with super heavy gates. It will carry a load you wouldn't believe, and it'll override many hinges. The sleeve hinge is 3 pieces, the bottom and the top holder, and then the zerk fitting and in the center for grease to make it for a smooth operation. Maintenance on this hinge is pretty important. It needs to be greased periodically. But this hinge will enable you to put up a very heavy gate.